Today we're going to be looking at Giant by Calvin Harris and Rag & Bone Man. We're going to be using a capo on the 4th fret here so we can play most of the chords using nice and easy open chord shapes. You can of course use the bar chord forms instead if you prefer. I'm going to start off with this F chord. It's an F bar chord. If you prefer, you can use just an F shape here on the 3rd fret of the D, 2nd fret of the G and 1st fret of the B to make it easier. I prefer the sound, the full F bar chord, but if you're not quite there with the bar chords, any other version of F is perfectly acceptable too. So F, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th beat, we're going to go down to E minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, E and A. On the A of 4, we're going to go to a D minor. So it's a really quick transition there. 1, 2, 3, 4, E and A. F, E minor, D minor. And then we go to G. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to G. 1, 2, so we'll count that through slowly for you. F, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 4, E and A to the D minor, and on the 3 to the G, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time through is exactly the same. That last G, we're going to swap and play a C. So we have F, 1, 2, 3, 4 for E minor, straight to that D minor, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and C. That's the whole song. So F, 2, 3, E minor, D minor, and G, A minor, and G. First time through there. Then F, 2, 3, 4, D minor, back to G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and C. Okay, let's play through the loop nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, E minor, D minor, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, 4, F, E minor, D minor to G, A minor, 2, 3, 4 and C. That repeats for the entire song. If you want to play the whole song with bar chords, we have the A, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4, G sharp minor, then to F sharp minor, B bar chord, C sharp minor, going back to the B major, then A major, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, B, C sharp minor, and then an E in any kind of form that you prefer. So there's an awesome little riff in the song which is really easy to play on the guitar. It starts off on the B string on the 1st fret relative to the capo. Play this 3 times with a staccato effect. So we just play the note and then release the pressure on the left hand. Then we're going to play the 2nd fret on the G string 3 times. The first 2 times we have that staccato sound and the 3rd time is long. So the 2nd time's the same, 3 on the 1st fret of the B, twice on the 2nd fret of the G. So we're just going to finish it differently by catching the high E string, open, obviously relative to capo there. So the only other thing to be aware of with this riff is that it actually comes in on the 1 and, so it doesn't start on the B. It goes 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also worth learning the bass line in the song so you can hear exactly when those chord changes are happening, because the chords change in exactly the same time as the bass. So on the guitar we can replicate this by playing without a capo, and we're going to start on the 5th fret of the low E string, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go on the 4th beat down to the 4th fret in the low E, followed by the 4 E and A to the 2nd fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4 E and A. Then we drop down to the 2nd fret on the A, up to the 4th fret on the A, back to 2 on the A. So 5, 4, 2, 2 on the A, 4, back down to 2. 2nd time through is the same, except for instead of playing this 2 again at the end, we're going to come up to 7th fret of the A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the bass line loop for you slowly. 1,